Hello, ma'am. First of all, I just want to, give you a big thanks for the support and the guidance you have provided.
I've taken a break from 22 years of working. Finally, I've just come back from Japan.
Oh,
And
wow.
I couldn't take a break for more than a few weeks. I had to learn something. And I was asking everybody, I want to do baking, kahan jaun? And suddenly the universe listened. I saw your thing on Facebook and I was just like, yep, I'm going to do it. So I did bake before as well, but I make very few things and I do them well, but I couldn't do a lot of different things. So the science, like you said, was really getting much better with your course. So I really have to say thank you to you.
Hats off.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
आपके सपोर्ट से ही मैं आगे बढ़ी हूँ इतना।
Awesome, awesome.
आपने सही में आपने जो मेरा सपना था, उसको मेरे सपने को पूरा करने में आपने बहुत
Like you, I am also an IT professional and working in a shift. So when I saw your ad, in the Instagram, I was like, I love to cook and bake and everything, but I was not sure if I'll be able to complete it. Firstly, I baked the curd cake, and my husband, when tasted it, he said like it was superb. You have never baked cake like that.
आपका जैसे मैंने ऐड देखा ना तो मैं बोली चलो देखती हूँ। तो 3 दिन का मैंने आपका वो वेबिनार ये किया था, उसमें मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो उसके बाद में मैं और एक्साइटेड हो गई। तो फिर हमने ये जो 1 मंथ का हमने वो ज्वाइन किया और माशाल्लाह मेरा इतना अच्छा हुआ। मेरे बच्चे भी इतने खुश है और प्लस मेरे बच्चों को संभालते हुए मैं घर में ये सब कुछ कर पाई।
And the last cake was the red velvet cake. On that day, I literally cried like, yeah, I am able to do it. Like, I was crying that, okay, I completed the course within 30 days. Thank you to you, Sindhu ma'am. And I'm very happy, ma'am, that I joined this course and I want to take it forward.
और मुझे इतने सारे ऑर्डर्स भी आ रहे हैं अभी। ऑलरेडी मैंने 3 ऑर्डर्स तो मेरे ले लिए। आपने रियली आपने मेरा सपना पूरा करने में आपने बहुत बड़ी मुझे हेल्प की मैम। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम।